Okay. Okay. As what Ross said, we're planning to uh, we're planning to put the cabling here. Then that will run through from the wall through the ceiling. Then from here um, up to there. Then at the ceiling it will be distributed uh, from the cubicles.
Uwi na daw kami.
As you can see, one of the one of the um, one of the at this side of the cubicles, the cables that will run through this cubicle will be coming from this PVC pipe. Then will run down here. Then the cables will be distributed from the cubicles along from this area. Then same thing goes with this side of cubicles, the one that you can see here. Cables running from the ceiling will move move down from there. It will be moving down at this part, and then again it will be distributed from the cubicles within this area. And same goes with the other cables.